on your home. Opendoor.com/myoffer. Offer eligibility varies.
I just had my checkup, and my doctor could tell I've been eating healthier. But sometimes I have a hard time covering the cost of food. Luckily, my Humana Medicare Advantage dual-eligible special needs plan offers me a healthy foods card to help me pay for food at certain stores. If you have Medicare and Medicaid, you may get $25 to spend on approved groceries. You just swipe it like a credit card. My Humana Medicare plan also covers a lot more, such as medications, dental, eyeglasses, doctor visits, and hospital stays. Do what I did. Talk to Humana.
Talk to a Humana licensed sales agent now by calling toll-free 1-844-706-0557. Humana is a coordinated care plan with a Medicare contract and a contract with the Florida Medicaid program. Enrollment of this Humana plan depends on contract renewal. Sponsored by Humana Medical Plan, Inc. and the State of Florida Agency for Healthcare Administration. Plans may not be available in all areas. Benefits may vary by plan. Call to learn what plans are available in your area.
So you have bad teeth. You're not alone. Are you not sure about partial or full dentures? I'm Dr. Michael Spencer at Riverside Dental and Implant Center. Your answer may be quick and easy implants that never have to come out. I will personally explain all your options so you can make the best decision for yourself. Call us at 1-877-NEW-TEETH for a free exam and consultation. We've helped over 25,000 happy patients, and it won't cost you an arm and a leg. 1-877-NEW-TEETH and get your smile back.
Hi, this is Dale Murray at Murray Ford Superstore in Stark and Kingsland, where we still believe the customer's number one, because at Murray Ford Superstore, it's all about you. Shazam! Come see why everybody's driving to Murray Ford Superstore to purchase their new vehicle, where every customer gets a 15-year, 150,000-mile warranty included on every qualified new vehicle. Shazam! Don't be fooled paying those big city prices to those big city dealers so they can pay for those big city dealerships. We call that fast talking mumbo jumbo down here. Nobody beats our prices, and I mean nobody. Compare our prices online at ShazamAuto.com, because you deserve the best deal. That's right, and we'll trade anything from old weight sets to swing sets, because that's just how we roll. Be American, buy Murray Ford Superstores. Come see me, Dale Murray, in Stark or Kingsland. I'll be waiting for you. And remember, at any Murray Superstore, it's all about you. Shazam!
Are you having difficulty paying your IRS personal or business taxes due to COVID-19? Under the IRS's People First COVID-19 Tax Relief Program, there has never been a better time than now to settle your tax debt. Call J. David Tax Law today for a no-cost consultation at 904-507-4777. That's 904-507-4777. Or go to jdavidtaxlaw.com. Peace of mind is only a click or phone call away.
Now, weather and traffic from 104.5 WOKV. Jacksonville's news and talk.
On action with Jack's Chief Meteorologist Mike Burris. Despite plenty of sun today, you'll want a sweater or jacket all day long in the full first alert forecast in less than 10 minutes.
Drivers heading into Arlington on the East Beltway southbound, you have a wide open drive ahead of you right now. It's only 10 minutes to get from Heckscher over the Days Point Bridge and down to JTB. This report is presented by Miracle Windows. Do you believe in miracles? One listener will, because Miracle Windows is prizing a $25,000 home window makeover to a Jacksonville homeowner. Text the word miracle to 484848 now for your chance to win from Miracle Windows. With Safe Touch Security, First Alert Traffic, I'm Brian Riley.
Navigating traffic on a nice day is bad enough, but when you mix in severe weather, it can make things downright miserable. Get First Alert traffic updates on your drive to work on Jacksonville's Morning News. Weekdays from 5 till 9 on 104.5 WOKV, Jacksonville's News and Talk.
This is the Marquet Show. My name's Marquet, 855-765-1045. Hey, thanks for joining us today, folks. We are so excited that you're here. We got a bunch of open mic messages coming in too. And if you want to leave us an open mic message, it's really easy to do. All you have to do is go to our downloadable mobile app. It's the 104.5 WOKV app on your app store, whether it's Google Play or whether you got the iTunes, whatever one you got. That's the place you're going to go download it, and you can send us an open mic message absolutely free, like this guy, who I think sent us an open. I think it's a guy. Oh, come on with this stupid computer.
Here, what's the label? I'll do an impression.
No, it's not.
That's the best way to fix a mouse is to slam it aggressively.
I found that if a mouse doesn't work, the best way to do this is to slam it aggressively.
Trap it.
No, you know what I did? Last time I did this, I